everyone. My name is Ruben. I am 37 years old, and this is my family. This is my voice, and her is she is 28 years old. This cool. My my children. This is Samara. Taliana. She is years old. This my boy likes to cook. I love him. Loves to work and she also likes to spend time with your kids. Samara is very smiling and she loves to play with. She likes to play with toys. Taliana is a little shy and she loves to play soccer.